Hello guys, this is what we will do today. I'm going to complete this part with 3 flanges and the tubing uh, joints in using swept boss space. Control new part. Straight away, let's look at, because we are going to use swept boss, we need 2 sketches. Sketch 1 is going to be the path, so let's draw a path, straight line, and then come back. You will draw a radius and then return and draw another radius and straight line, escape. Let's look at here. So it's 235. So altogether from here to here it's 235. That's going to be 30 millimeter, and the radius is 100 and 100 there. So that's 100, and the dimension from the center line to the one of the flanges end is 100 as well. So that's horizontal dimension of 100. Okay, so our sketch is fully defined. Exit the sketch quickly. Let's draw, oh excuse me, let's draw another sketch which is going to be on front plane, and this is going to be the tubing diameter. So it is internal diameter 56 and 10 wall thickness, so that's going to be 56. Enter. Offset is already 10. Select an external outwards offset and click OK. Exit, and now put on isometric view. Select the feature tab, select swept boss space, select the profile, and then select the path and click OK. That's your first thing done. Now what we will do is we will cut this from here and then mirror it in the next step. So I want to identify a plane that I will use as a cutting plane. That's the plane that I will use. Insert, cut with surface, and the point arrow is pointing that way. So we need to move into another direction and click OK. That has done the cut. Now let's do the mirror. Select the face, and now we need to select not the feature to mirror, but body to mirror. Okay, so we'll select the body and click OK, and that's our part nearly done. So let's look at the split. Top plane, split, and you will see that it's nicely, both areas are clear. If you would have used the feature for mirroring, then obviously you would have faced difficulties. Select extrude boss space, select this space to create the flange, and let's is going to be 150. Okay, so 150 diameter, that's 150, and we need to draw another circle, go radially, align, and click OK. At the same time, I would simply put holes as well. So holes are going to be on 120 PCD. So on here it says 120 PCD, 4 holes of 15 diameter. So that's 120, 120, and we need to make this for construction. So select the circle and select for construction, click OK, and I want to now put a hole here, which is going to be 15 millimeter, 15, and I want to use circular pattern. Circular pattern, the circle for the revolving of the pattern is going to be that, and then select entities to patterns, select the circles, and 4 circles are there. I would simply make sure the dimension radius or dimension angular is selected. I want to keep equal spacing and dimension radius, and click OK. Okay, so I would delete one of the dimensions, as I can see that it is over defining things, and click OK. Now we need to exit. Here I could see that number of things, like the SolidWorks has not approved this sort of construction lines and stuff, but still let's exit, and we need to create extrude boss space, select the entity, and let's highlight what we need. Okay, we need this, we need the holes, right? So select the whole, this one. Oops. Okay, so all 4 holes and this one as well. Click OK, and that's our flange already. If you want to increase the flange extrusion, then obviously we can increase the extrude to 20, enter, and let's update, rebuild the drawing. So that's one side flange is done. Let's go on to the other side. Select same way. What I would do is I might copy and paste the sketch from here. So edit sketch, and I would highlight everything, control copy, okay, because it's the same thing that we want to put. Extrude boss face, select the face, and here we want to control paste, and we want to move it to here, make it radially aligned, go radial, and click OK. Likewise, I could see there are problems with the circles. Either, if you wish, you can move it to the positions where we are supposed to be reducing a lot of work that otherwise we would have done. So let's put it there. Okay, let's see where. Now let's make it vertical alignment, and it should be equal. So let's highlight all the circles and make them equal, and click OK. And it's fully defined. The sketch is fully defined. I'll delete any additional lines to avoid any issues that we might encounter later. Exit the sketch, and this time as well we need to highlight what we want. So that's it's showing all the holes and everything, and this as well. So I think let's increase by 20 and exit, and our flange is ready on this side as well. All we need to do is we need to mirror. So identify a plane which is in the center, which is right plane, select mirror, and let's identify this one, the body, not body, sorry, the featured mirror, and it's going to be this feature, and click OK, and all the parts are ready. Right, it looks like this is smaller than the others, so let me double check. That's 20, and click OK. Date. Right, so here is the part completed. We could simply try to cut it from the top plane, select top, and select the section view, and click OK. Here's the part ready. Thank you very much for watching.